How to stretch my money during inflation. Hi there, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we're gonna share with you some tips and tricks on how to stretch your money during inflation. If you're into these kinds of videos, then keep watching. Do you ever wonder why it's so difficult to save money? Even if you've eliminated the cable, the dinner's out, and you've never had a coffee habit? One reason why saving money is so difficult is that your fixed costs, those that remain constant month after month, such as rent or mortgage, vehicle payment, property taxes, and insurance premiums, tend to be your largest bills. These aren't exactly simple to eliminate. You may reduce your rent by relocating to a smaller apartment, but moving is also costly. Plus, you can't starve yourself just to save. But what happens to your hard-earned income when inflation strikes? First of all, we need to understand what inflation is. In simpler words, inflation refers to rising commodity and service prices in the country. This means that while a sum of money may be sufficient for your child's education now, it may rise to a higher value in 10 years. The rate of inflation varies from year to year and is an important factor in financial planning. Inflation can reduce the value of your investments over time. When you save, keep in mind the growing prices of commodities and services in the future. An amount that appears large now may not appear so large in a few years. As a result, it is advised to have an additional investment cushion. This guarantees that your hard-earned money preserves its value over time in the face of inflation. We don't have a money-saving magic secret that will send your bank account balance skyrocketing, but there are lots of minor ways you can cut back, and it's the little things that add up. The good news is that there is no single thing you must eliminate. If it is truly important to you, continue to invest in it. You can find other items to get rid of that won't hurt too much. Here are some of our tips to help you stretch your money. Learn how to acquire things for free. They said that the only way to save money is to become a hermit. Well, this can be true depending on the situation and circumstances, but not always possible. You still need to spend on your essentials, and depriving yourself is not a good idea at all. But free is always nice, don't you think? There are several methods to obtain free items or have fun on the cheap. Here are a few of our favorites. Make use of Facebook and Nextdoor. Before you spend money on items such as furniture or baby gear, check out Buy Nothing groups on platforms such as Facebook and Nextdoor to see if one of your neighbors is wanting to let go of something comparable. Download an app to get free meals. Many restaurant businesses provide freebies or BOGO offers in exchange for installing their apps. If you don't want temptation at your fingertips, you can always remove them once you've taken advantage of them. You can get free goods simply by being born. If your birthday is fast approaching, you may earn a slew of freebies. Sometimes you can do this not just on your actual birthday, but anytime during your birth month. For free entertainment, visit your local library. Your library card is more than simply a way to borrow books manufactured from dead trees. There are several free library applications that allow you to access ebooks, movies, music, and other media without spending a dime. Swap products or services with another person. Learning to barter can help you acquire what you need without having to spend money. Prepare your meals. Grocery shops perform all sorts of subtle mind tricks on you, and you're most vulnerable when you're stressed and hungry. Making a grocery plan and devoting a few hours to meal prep each week is an excellent approach to resist their money-snatching techniques. But don't get too far ahead of yourself. If your cupboard comprises 3 spices and you expect to make 21 meals every week, you're setting yourself up for failure. Begin with a more manageable aim, such as preparing your own breakfast and lunch every day, as well as dinner 3 evenings a week. Only buy in bulk if you're buying items with long shelf life or components that will fit in your freezer for future cooking. Having a weekly meal plan guarantees that you head to the shop with a food list in hand. A list is essential since individuals tend to spend up to 40% more when they don't have what they need written down. By preparing your meals in advance, you can establish your expectations for the week and know precisely what you'll be cooking. This will keep you from eating out, ordering takeout, or grabbing fast food on your way home from work. At the end of the day, dining out quickly adds up and will always blow your food budget. Take every penny you can from your boss. We're not simply talking about negotiating your wage or asking for a raise when you've earned it, though both are necessary, just difficult. That being said, make sure you're not throwing away free money when it comes to long-term savings. Take advantage of any matching contributions to your health savings account. You can use the money you save to cover your own expenditures, those of your spouse, or those of a dependent family member. Use your leave credits to convert any unused ones into monetary amounts. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Do your tastes get more refined with each promotion? This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it is a notorious savings killer. You don't have to live on an entry-level wage forever, but prepare ahead of time for future rises so that your living expenditures rise at a slower rate than your earnings. For example, intend to save half of your next pay raise and invest the remainder. When you let your expenditures progressively escalate over time as you crave a more luxurious lifestyle, you're experiencing lifestyle inflation. It generally happens when your income rises over time, and you raise your expenditure to keep up with it. As a result, while your income grows, the amount you can save does not. In the long term, lifestyle inflation, otherwise known as lifestyle creep, leads to stagnant savings and difficulty reaching big financial goals. You might struggle to save for what truly matters to you while enjoying the convenience of things that don't truly make you happy. Cancel non-essential automatic transactions. Mindless spending can be reduced by eliminating late-night Amazon shopping and impulsive supermarket purchases. You most likely have monthly subscriptions and memberships draining your bank account for stuff you seldom, if ever, utilize. Looking closely at gym memberships, streaming services, subscription boxes, and anything else that you automatically pay for each month is one of the finest ways to save money. If you haven't used it in the last month, it's probably time to get rid of it. Keep an eye out for any free trials you neglected to cancel. Instead of buying new, repair what is broken. Something is not destroyed just because it is broken. You may restore your moderately damaged items to look as nice as new again by mastering some basic DIY skills. For example, even if you don't have a sewing machine, learning a few fundamental stitches can allow you to mend clothing for yourself and your family. There are several free internet resources for learning home repair skills. On the other hand, know when to hire a professional for serious repairs. When fixing a large ticket item or doing anything that may threaten your safety, it's well worth the cost to hire someone else instead. One of the most effective strategies to save money is to inform others of your intentions. This might help you prepare your friends and family for when you say no to joining them when they propose costly plans. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.